Alright, let's get this streaming rearview mirror kit installed. In the box, you've got your power harness, the new mirror mount, a screw pack, the rear camera, an extension cable, the main streaming mirror, and two tools. First, we need to remove the stock rearview mirror. Pop off the plastic cover. Gently twist the factory mirror to loosen it. Then remove the screw and take off the original mount. Grab the new mount. Attach the factory-style clip and tighten it down. Now, take the main streaming mirror and line it up with the new mount. Use the screws from the screw pack and lock in all four. Next, open up the center cover. Pull out the power cable and the rear camera extension cable. Feed both cables through the center cover and snap the cover back in place. Run the wires along the top trim of the windshield. Then, carefully pry open the side pillar trim. Route the cables past the airbag channel. And snap the trim back. Plug the two cables into the streaming mirror. Mount it on the new bracket and reinstall the protective cover. Now we'll run the power cable and extension cable down toward the door area. Tuck everything into the weather strip. Run the power cable down to the seat base. Hide it neatly. And press the weather strip back in. Pop off the door sill trim. Tuck the power cable inside and snap the trim back. Continue routing it under the seat frame until you reach the rear AC vent area. Open the lower trim of the rear AC vent. Unplug the factory connector and insert the new harness in line. At this point, the streaming mirror should power on normally. Reinstall the AC trim. For the extension cable, run it toward the back seats, tucking it into the gaps along the way. Open the weather strip and route the cable inside. Then, close it back up. Once you reach the quarter panel area, open the trim and weather strip. Use your wire puller and feed it into the trunk. Attach the extension cable to the puller and pull it through. Then reinstall the trims. Remove the trunk panel. Disconnect the plug and run the extension cable through the panel gap. Pop open the tailgate rubber boot. Push the wire puller through. Attach the extension cable and pull it out the other side. Disconnect and feed the extension cable back inside through the same boot. Next, pop off the inner tailgate trim, unplug the connector, and feed the extension cable into the tailgate. Reseat the rubber boot. Grab the rear camera. Open the tailgate switch panel. Feed the camera wire through. Reinstall the switch. Peel the adhesive and stick the camera right beside the switch in a clean spot. Connect the camera to the extension cable. Tuck all the wiring inside the tailgate. Plug back the interior connectors and snap the trim back in. And that's it. Your new streaming rear view mirror system is fully installed.